Rahim. Say it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان.
Min shaitan.
Sister, inshallah, when he will listen anything, child's memory is very strong. He are saving in his memory in 3 to 6 years, inshallah. After that, easy for them, inshallah. uh, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. أعوذ بالله
Say billahi.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, you are reading good. Oh, good student name is Sami. What's good student name? Nice, MashaAllah. Okay, yesterday, listen to me, Sami. Yesterday we was read the lesson Alif. Alif. What? Alif. Today, yeah, after Alif, Ba. 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 Nice. MashaAllah. Nice, nice. Look on the screen.
Stay in your chair. Stay in your chair, Sami.
Look on the screen. I will teach you, inshallah, today Ba. Ba lesson now, okay? Yeah. Alif and Ba. Say Alif and Ba.
Pay attention. Say alif and ba.
MashaAllah. First we will read, inshallah. A'udhu. Read with me first. A'udhu
Read with him first. A'udhu
billahi
billahi
minash shaitan
minash shaitan. Say minash shaitan.
nirrajim.
Nirrajim.
Bismillah الرحمن الرحيم.
No, stop.
What's your favorite color, Sami? Blue. Dark blue or light blue? Okay, simple blue. Okay, we are doing the drawing. We will make drawing on screen. Can you see my screen? Look on the screen. Stay looking on screen. Alif. We are typing here Alif. This one Alif. Okay? In blue color. Alif, and after that in red color, because my favorite color is red and your favorite color is blue. Blue is alif and red is ba. Red color ba. Ba. What is the blue color letter? Alif. What is this? And red? Ba. Alif ba. Alif ba. Alif ba. Repeat it. Sometimes repeat it, inshallah.
Say it many times.
Sometimes repeat, please. Good student, mashallah, mashallah. Alif ba. Alif ba.
Sami, say it. Alif ba.
Nice.
No, stop, Sami. Pay attention to this and this. Which one is this one?
Ba.
Alif.
Alif and ba. Alif ba. Alif ba. Alif ba. Yeah, Sami, I can't hear you. Alif ba. Alif ba. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. MashaAllah. Sami is reading good, mashallah. Okay, Sami, you can look on lesson now. Alif and ba. Alif in which color?
Ba.
Okay, blue. Blue color letter alif and red color letter is ba. Okay, you can read the ba now. This one.
Ba.
Ba. Alif and ba. Alif ba. Alif ba. Yeah, repeat.
Alif
Alif and ba.
ba.
Alif and ba. Alif and ba. Alif and ba. Alif ba. Alif
I think he's
ba.
too distracted now.
Mashallah, mashallah. Okay, read with me. Okay, we will read, inshallah, in beautiful sound, Quran. Are you ready, Sami?
Yeah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Now your turn. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Sami, now your turn. أعوذ. I can't hear you. I think some service problem now today. I can't hear you. Okay. أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله
أعوذ بالله
من الشيطان
من
الرجيم.
الشيطان
أعوذ
الرجيم
بالله
I think he's
أعوذ.
typing now.
Oh, sister, mashallah, mashallah. Very intelligent child. Inshallah, we will tomorrow continue tomorrow. Inshallah, inshallah.